If you have some leftover chicken or turkey and don't know what to do with it, this air fryer grilled cheese sandwich with leftover chicken is the perfect fix. It is cheesy, crispy, and so easy to make. Trust me, this is one sandwich you will want to make on repeat. To make this air fryer grilled cheese chicken sandwich, start by shredding your leftover chicken or turkey into small pieces using your hands or a fork, as you see me doing here. Next, to make sure the chicken is not dry, melt some butter in a pan over medium heat. Then, add the shredded chicken to the pan. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt and some pepper to taste. Let the chicken heat up, mixing it gently with a spatula so it is evenly coated in the butter. Let it cook for a few minutes until the chicken is warmed through. While the chicken is cooking, make a quick mayo sauce. Just mix a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise with a pinch of salt. Then add some black pepper and about a quarter teaspoon of smoked paprika and stir it all together. This gives the sandwich a little smoky flavor and makes it extra creamy. Okay, now the chicken is all nicely warmed up. So you can remove it from the pan and leave it aside for a moment. Next, grate some cheese. You can use cheddar, mozzarella, or any cheese that melts well and you enjoy, but sliced cheese works too. Now, let's assemble the sandwich. I like to make it 3 layers, so place 3 slices of bread on the counter or a board so you will have room to work. Divide the mayo sauce we made earlier between the 3 slices and spread it into a thin, even layer on one side of each slice, as you see me doing in the video here. Then, add a generous amount of shredded chicken to 1 slice of bread, spreading it evenly across the mayo layer. Follow that by adding a generous amount of grated cheese on top of the chicken. Then, place another slice of bread on top of the chicken and cheese. Add the remaining chicken and another layer of cheese. Be sure to leave some cheese aside to sprinkle over the final slice of bread for that extra cheesy top layer. Now, carefully place the sandwich into the air fryer basket. If you want to make cleanup easier, you can line the basket with a piece of aluminum foil. Set the air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let the sandwich cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the cheese on top is fully melted and bubbly and golden brown, as you can see here.
Yum.
This grilled cheese sandwich is super cheesy and messy in the best way. The chicken is soft and full of flavor, and the cheese on top melts into this gooey, stretchy layer. This sandwich is so good, you'll be wishing you had more leftover chicken. If you like this air fryer grilled cheese chicken sandwich, you have got to check out this video here where I finally nailed making the best air fryer chicken drumsticks. They turned out so good. Check it out now.